Can I use Gemini on my iPhone? Gemini. The name itself evokes images of cutting-edge AI, a marvel of modern technology. But can this powerful language model play nice with Apple's beloved ecosystem? That's the burning question we're tackling today. We'll dive deep into the world of Gemini and iOS compatibility, exploring what exactly is Gemini and what can it do? The current state of Gemini on iPhone and iPad. Workarounds and alternative solutions. The future of Gemini on Apple devices. So, grab your iPhone and let's get started. What is Gemini? Gemini isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a groundbreaking model developed by Google, boasting impressive capabilities across various domains. Language understanding and generation. Gemini excels at understanding and generating human language, from writing creative stories and poems to translating languages with incredible accuracy. Coding. Need help with that Python script? Gemini can assist with code generation, debugging, and even explain complex coding concepts. Image and video understanding. Gemini can analyze and understand images and videos, making it a powerful tool for tasks like image description, visual question answering, and even video summarization. Essentially, Gemini is a versatile AI assistant that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from everyday chores to complex professional projects. Gemini on iPhone, the current reality. Now, the million-dollar question. Can you harness the power of Gemini on your iPhone? Unfortunately, the answer is not straightforward. No dedicated app. Currently, there is no official Gemini app available for iOS. Limited web access. While you can theoretically access Gemini through a web browser on your iPhone, the experience might not be ideal. Why the limitation? Technical challenges. Integrating complex AI models like Gemini into the iOS ecosystem can present significant technical challenges. Apple's App Store guidelines. Apple maintains strict guidelines for apps on its App Store, and ensuring Gemini complies with these regulations might require considerable effort. So, while a native Gemini app is currently absent from the App Store, all hope is not lost. Workarounds and alternatives. Even without a dedicated app, you can still leverage some Gemini-powered features on your iPhone. Google Search. Google Search has been infused with Gemini's capabilities, allowing you to interact with AI directly within search results. You can ask follow-up questions, refine your searches, and even get creative with your queries. Google Assistant. While not explicitly Gemini, Google Assistant utilizes advanced AI, including some of the underlying technology that powers Gemini. You can use Assistant for a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders and controlling smart home devices to getting answers to your questions and even playing games. Exploring third-party options. Web browsers. As mentioned earlier, you can access Gemini through a web browser on your iPhone. However, the performance and user experience might vary depending on the browser and your internet connection. AI-powered apps. Several third-party apps available on the App Store leverage AI for various tasks, such as writing, translation, and image generation. While these apps might not directly use Gemini, they can offer valuable AI-powered assistance on your iPhone. The future of Gemini on iPhone. The absence of a dedicated Gemini app on iOS is likely temporary. Google's ambitions. Google undoubtedly recognizes the immense potential of the iOS market. It's highly probable that they are actively working on bringing a seamless Gemini experience to iPhone and iPad users. Evolving technology. As AI technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect smoother integration across different platforms, including iOS. While we wait for official news, you can explore the existing workarounds and enjoy the AI-powered features already available within the Google ecosystem. Beyond the technical. The discussion about Gemini on iPhone goes beyond just technical limitations. It highlights the broader landscape of AI on mobile devices. The role of app stores. App stores play a crucial role in shaping the mobile AI experience. Their guidelines and review processes significantly influence the types of AI applications that reach users. User experience. A seamless and user-friendly experience is paramount for the successful adoption of AI on mobile devices. Developers and platform providers must prioritize user experience to ensure AI is accessible and enjoyable for the average user. Privacy and security. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, concerns around data privacy and security become increasingly important. Transparency and user control over data are crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible AI development. While a native Gemini app is not yet available for iOS, the future looks promising. Google is actively developing its AI capabilities, and we can anticipate a more integrated and seamless AI experience across different platforms in the near future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.